Hey, what's going on? It's Mike. I'm back again with another video. Today we got a Jeep Grand Cherokee in for an interior detail, and you will see later in the video I will have a helper. And if you like watching detailing videos, product reviews, how-to videos, live streams we do every other weekend, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below. In the meantime, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So I'm using my rigid shop vac and my toner door to do all the vacuuming and getting all the loose debris, dirt and crumbs and all the other stuff that kids leave behind. And that's what we're doing here. So my 13-year-old son with the crazy hairdo, he won't let me cut his hair. He decides he wanted to wake up and come out and help me. So he'll be helping me out in this video. He basically still learning how to do all the shop vacuuming. Loves playing with the toner door. I like that. And we're gonna be getting some work done. The diamond interior cleaner from Suds box restores a natural finish to your interior. It works on buttons, navigation screens, plastics, and more. APC diluted pretty heavily. I believe it's like 10 to 1. He's gonna take a drill brush and go through the mats, get them all cleaned up, and then rinse them off. They'll be blown, all the water will be blown off, and then sit out there to air dry while we finish the inside. So recently I purchased the Mytee HP60. It's a hot wire extractor, and this is basically my first time really using it. I did use it in some other minor stuff, some smaller stuff, but I come to the conclusion that must have been some like laundry soap or something right there, because I didn't have too much chemical, or I didn't have too much soap down. But boy, man, it really took a long time to get that mess off of that one area there. And no matter how much I kept soaking and how much I kept trying to get it all out, it just kept bubbling up. And so I come to the conclusion that I had to have been some spilled laundry soap. So I'd asked Angel, what type of leather cleaner did you want to use? And I showed him a whole bunch of them. And then he picks out the Detail Firm, the leather cream. I said, well, why are you picking this one? He's like, because the bottle looks bougie. I was like, oh my lordy. So Angel and I appreciate you guys watching. If you like watching the detailing videos, product reviews, or if we even did a good job, and do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below. And until next time, we'll see you again.